So here is a kettlebell workout that will allow you to build strength, power, burn calories, improve your conditioning, and practice all the basic kettlebell exercises. I call it the potato. So what you do is perform 3 reps of single arm swing, clean and press, snatch. On the final snatch, you'll see that right here, go into a get up from the top down. And then you'll work your way back up through the get up. The get up is just a single rep. And then what you do is, you're not done yet, then you hit 3 single arm squats. So you have pretty much all the fundamental kettlebell movements. Not too many reps, so you can go pretty heavy if you want, or just stay light and make it a practice routine. Good luck.